In this video, we are going to talk about Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill 2025. This bill has been recently introduced in Parliament and now with Joint Parliamentary Committee under review. This Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan Bill is seen as unified regulatory framework, a single window system, a unified regulatory framework. Earlier we had, now actually we have three regulatory authorities: UGC, that is University Grants Commission; second is All India Council for Technical Education; and third is NCTE, National Council for Technical Education. So all three regulatory organizations, UGC, AICT and NCTE, will be merged and will become unified and single window system called as Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan. Now it is bill. It is when it will be passed and signed by the Honorable President of India, it will become act. So this Viksit Bharat Shiksha Adhishthan bill, after getting approval, will become apex body under which there will be three councils whose names are Viksit Bharat Shiksha Vinyaman Parishad, other will be Viksit Bharat Shiksha Gunavatta Parishad, and third will be Viksit Bharat Shiksha Manak Parishad. These three councils will be for regulatory, accreditation and standards respectively. The major benefits and impact of the bill include: this is going to be simplified regulation, and the biggest advantage of this bill is reduced compliance. You do not need to do the compliance with three regulatory bodies. It will be a single window system, so less paperwork, it's going to be digital, and compliance will be minimum. Second is enhanced institutional autonomy and flexibility. The universities and institutions will have enhanced autonomy and enhanced flexibility. So more freedom and flexibility will be given to operate. Third is global standards and alignment and excellence. It will be aligned with NEP 2020 vision, and the standards will be at par with world-class institutions and universities. Transparent grievance redressal. All the stakeholders will get benefit of transparent grievance redressal system. So a student-centric approach will be truly seen in this framework, because grievance redressal scheme will provide them transparency in addressing their grievances. Lastly, focus on innovation and research to develop future-ready skill sets, to develop and to produce future-ready graduates, which is very important for Viksit Bharat 2047 vision aligned with NEP 2020. Thank you.